Hey, what's up, y'all? Thanks for checking out DHP. If you're all inclined, please subscribe, like, comment, all the above. Helps out. It's cool for engagement. Just doing a little update video use case with the BAUER, shop vac, which replaced the Craftsman. So check it out with me. These are extra attachments, by the way. The little kits. You can get for pretty cheap on sale because of the rinky-dink hose that comes with it. Pretty useless. Get out of here. Just clean up the horrendous mess in my yard from working on that damn gate, the bane of my existence. See how it goes. Oh, power helps. Rinky dinky dinky dinky. Rinky dinky dinky dinky. Watch ears. The use case. Sheesh. Sucked up a chunk of sliver of wood. Pretty damn good. Whoops. Let's change these adapters. Well, that worked well. Way better than that Craftsman POS. That's going back. Could use a longer extension though, that would be helpful. Never mind me tripping over the cord. Nice. It's pretty damn good. It's like the first major use I've had. So peak of 3 horsepower. So it is half a horsepower more, I believe, than the Craftsman, and half a gallon more. So, but you really feel the difference. So this is, I think, was on sale for $29.99, and the Craftsman was on sale for $25. But $5, better buy. Check it out. Highly recommend. I'm keeping it. All right. Well, thanks for checking me out. Y'all have a good one.